Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to make a beautiful hair bow. So how have you all been? How was the weekend? My one wasn't good at all. Hey, it was good, eh? I ain't going to a lot, but thank God for grace and mercy that brought me through. I'm going to a lot, but you know, throughout it all, God has been good. God has been great. He deserves it all. So before I get into this video, I just want to leave a word of encouragement. You know, life is like a trial or error. It's like a success or failure, because you know, many have passed through life, they didn't get to reach where they intended to go. Some fall by the wayside, some died, some, you know, some mad, some lose their sanity, some, you know. But just to say that when you have God in the midst of your everyday doing, it made life more easier. It made life more valuable. You know, God being at the center of everything that you do daily, it makes it more reasonable to even do something, and it makes it more easier too, because you getting up with an intention and putting God first. You know, it makes it more. It makes it something to look forward to. Just to put it in layman terms, it makes it more easier, you know. So I just want to leave with you this morning to say that despite what you're going through, despite you, just remember that God is with you. He is in the midst of it all. You know, there's a time and there's a season for everything. Pain does not last forever. Pain does not last forever. There's a time to be happy, there's a time to be sad. You know? So whatever you're going through now is preparing you for what is ahead of, what is there for your tomorrow. You know? It's equipping you for that thing that you're aiming at, or that thing that you want to achieve. It's equipping you for that day, for that thing, for that goal, you know? It's equipping you. So you know, it's not easy. It's not easy to, you know, bypass these things, but just to remind you and to encourage you that whatever you go through, God is with you to the very end. He said He will never leave you, nor will He forsake you. So that is just my few words before I get into this video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend, turn on that notification bell so that you can receive more uploads whenever I post a video. So let's get right into this video. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair bow. Remind me of a child. Oh, this little hairstyle, Mickey Mouse style. Yes, I am really loving it. Just simple, nice, and kitty. I really like it. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. Please turn on your notification bell if you haven't done so. Please like if you haven't done so, and also please subscribe. Until next time, see you.